Here's a comparison of Venezuela and the United States military power. Military expenditure: United States $721 billion 2021, Venezuela $1.4 billion 2021. Active military personnel: United States 1.3 million, Venezuela 120,000. Reserve military personnel: United States 860,000, Venezuela 800,000. Aircraft: the United States boasts over 13,000 aircraft, while Venezuela has over 200. Tanks: the United States has more than 6,000 tanks, whereas Venezuela has over 1,000. Warships: the United States operates around 490 warships, in contrast to Venezuela's 20. Nuclear weapons: the United States possesses approximately 3,800 nuclear weapons, while Venezuela has 0. Global firepower ranking: the United States holds the first position, whereas Venezuela is ranked 34th. Defense industry: the United States boasts an advanced and robust defense industry. In contrast, Venezuela has limited defense industry capabilities. International alliances: the United States is a key member of NATO and maintains bilateral agreements with numerous countries. On the other hand, Venezuela is part of ALBA, CELAC, and the now dissolved UNASUR. Economic power: the United States has the largest economy in the world. Meanwhile, Venezuela is grappling with a struggling economy, facing both political and economic crises. It's important to note that while Venezuela has a significant military, its military capabilities and budget are significantly smaller than those of the United States. Additionally, the political and economic situation in Venezuela is complex and has impacted its military readiness and effectiveness. Now let's delve into the logistics and supply chain capabilities of both the United States and Venezuela. Logistics and supply chain management are critical components of any military operation. They ensure that troops are well supplied, equipment is maintained, and operations can be sustained over prolonged periods. Firstly, the United States boasts one of the most advanced and efficient military logistics systems in the world. With a vast network of bases, advanced technology, and a robust transportation infrastructure, the U.S. can mobilize and sustain its forces globally. The Defense Logistics Agency, DLA, plays a pivotal role, providing comprehensive logistical support, including procurement, distribution, and maintenance. In contrast, Venezuela's logistics and supply chain capabilities are more constrained. The country's economic challenges and political instability have led to resource shortages and logistical inefficiencies. While the Venezuelan military is capable of regional operations, its ability to project power and sustain long-term engagements is limited. The differences in logistics and supply chain capabilities highlight the broader disparities between the two nations' military strengths. The U.S. military's logistical prowess ensures operational readiness and global reach, while Venezuela's limitations underscore the impact of economic and political factors on military effectiveness. Understanding these logistical aspects provides deeper insight into the operational capacities of both nations' armed forces. In the modern era, cyber warfare has emerged as a critical domain of military strategy. This chapter will discuss the cyber warfare capabilities of both the United States and Venezuela. Cyber warfare involves the use of digital attacks to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to enemy systems, and it plays a pivotal role in national security. The United States has invested heavily in developing advanced cyber warfare capabilities. Agencies such as the National Security Agency, NSA, and U.S. Cyber Command are at the forefront of these efforts. The U.S. possesses sophisticated offensive and defensive cyber tools, enabling it to conduct cyber espionage, disrupt enemy communications, and protect its own critical infrastructure from cyber threats. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning has further enhanced the U.S. cyber warfare capabilities, making it a formidable force in the digital battlefield. On the other hand, Venezuela's cyber warfare capabilities are more limited. While the country has made some strides in developing its cyber infrastructure, it lacks the resources and technological expertise of more advanced nations. Venezuela's cyber operations are primarily focused on domestic surveillance and information control, with limited ability to conduct offensive cyber operations on a global scale. The country's economic challenges and political instability further constrain its cyber capabilities. The stark contrast between the cyber warfare capabilities of the United States and Venezuela underscores the broader technological and economic disparities between the two nations. The U.S. maintains a significant advantage in this critical domain, ensuring its ability to protect its interests and maintain a strategic edge in the digital age. Understanding the cyber warfare capabilities of both nations provides a comprehensive view of their overall military strength and strategic positioning in the modern world. Now let's delve into the elite world of Special Forces units and their rigorous training regimes. Special Forces play a crucial role in executing high-stakes missions that require exceptional skill, precision, and bravery. This chapter will analyze the Special Forces units of both the United States and Venezuela, shedding light on their training regimes and operational capabilities. The United States boasts some of the most renowned Special Forces in the world, such as the Navy SEALs, Delta Force, and the Green Berets. These units undergo grueling training programs designed to push them to their physical and mental limits. Navy SEALs, for example, endure basic underwater demolition, SEAL Bud-S training, which includes Hell Week, a notorious 5.5-day test of endurance, strength, and resilience. Delta Force operators, on the other hand, undergo an arduous selection process known as the Long Walk, where they are tested on their navigation, survival, and tactical skills under extreme conditions. In addition to physical training, U.S. Special Forces receive advanced instruction in counterterrorism, reconnaissance, and unconventional warfare. They are equipped with cutting-edge technology and weaponry, enabling them to conduct covert operations with precision and efficiency. Their training also emphasizes teamwork, adaptability, and quick decision-making, ensuring they can operate effectively in diverse and unpredictable environments. Venezuela's Special Forces, while not as globally recognized, also play a significant role in the country's military strategy. Units such as the Venezuelan Army Special Operations Group, GOE, undergo rigorous training to prepare for a variety of missions, including counterinsurgency, hostage rescue, and direct action operations. Their training includes physical conditioning, marksmanship, hand-to-hand combat, and survival skills. Venezuelan Special Forces also receive specialized training in jungle warfare, reflecting the country's diverse terrain and the unique challenges it presents. Despite facing resource constraints, these units demonstrate a high level of dedication and resilience, adapting their tactics and strategies to overcome various obstacles. The contrast in the training regimes and capabilities of the Special Forces units of the United States and Venezuela highlights the broader differences in their military resources and strategic priorities. While U.S. Special Forces benefit from extensive resources and advanced technology, Venezuelan units rely on ingenuity and adaptability to achieve their objectives. Understanding the Special Forces units and their training regimes provides valuable insight into the tactical and operational strengths of both nations, further enriching our comprehension of their overall military prowess.